Hello, I'm Sonic. We will learn about trigonometries in Microsoft Excel. In this video, we will use a pi value and its trigonometric value. You all know sine of 0 is 0, cosine of 0 is 1, and tan of 0 is 0. In the second column, what you write is the radian value of angle. For an angle in degrees is 0, at cell A2, we write cell A2 times pi, divided by 180. You all know pi value is 3.14, when you enter the cell, we get 0. At the third column, we have to write the sine value, that is sine of 0 is 0. Fourth column, we have to write the cosine value, that is cosine of 0 is 1. And fifth column, we have to write the tan value, that is tan 0 is 0. Similarly, for an angle 30 degrees in cell A3, the radian value will be a 3 times pi divided by 180, we get 0.524. For about sine 30, take in terms of radians, that is sine 0.524, which is approximately 0.5. Cosine 0.524, that is 0.866, and tan 0.524 is 0.576. Then, we can repeat the process for the degree value 45, 60, and 90. At 90 degrees, the radian value is 1.571. Sine 1.571 is 1, cosine 1.571 is 0, and for tan 1.571, we get a spilled range value with numerous hash signs, which means it is undefined, as you look into the tan graph, making it parallel to y-axis. This will be same for 270 as well. So, this video is about trigonometries in Microsoft Excel. Like, comment, and subscribe now.